4 gunmen nabbed by cops following the robbery of a University of the West Indies student.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Swift police action, with the assistance of Jamaica Eye monitors, led to the arrest of 4 men and the seizure of 2 firearms, following a robbery at the University of the West Indies Mona campus on Wednesday, the 11th of March. The police report that about 10:30 p.m., a male University of the West Indies student went to the Papin police station to report that he was held up at gunpoint and robbed of his laptop and other devices. An investigation was launched, and one of the stolen electronic devices was tracked to the Mandela Highway and the Portmore areas of St. Catherine. Lawmen in Area 4 and 5, who were in pursuit of the men with support from the Police Emergency Communication Center, CCTV footage and tracking information, followed the assailants back into St. Andrew. The Nissan Note motor car involved in the robbery was intercepted by several police units as well as members of the military at the intersection of South Avenue and Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew. The suspects were arrested and the weapons, a Glock pistol and a .38 revolver, along with 2 magazines, were seized. A laptop and several cell phones were also found inside the vehicle. Additional information released by the police after the incident said that they also seized 40 rounds of ammunition and another suspect was taken into custody.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.